So now we're going to start working on the second video for the wheel. And we're going to work first on making these holes here. And to do that, I'm just going to put a sketch on the back. And I'm going to pretty much just dimension what's going on over here. So I'm going to flip this around on the back. And I'm going to put a sketch there. So that's a line. Press escape. Another line. And another line. That's 15 degrees. And that's 30 degrees. I don't know why I remember that and didn't remember other stuff, but. And then these are just circles. So we're just going to make circles. So this first circle is 0.375. And it said R there, so R means radius. So you got to multiply that by 2 because all circles, you need the diameter for it. And if you messed up, that'd be okay. You can just double click and it'll come right up. And we'll do the next one. And we'll dimension that. And that one is 0.625. Again, it said R, so you're going to multiply it by 2. And I'm going to trim away everything I don't really want, because I only want that little section. I know we made a lot of lines and just a ton of stuff, and we're not using most of it. And that's okay. I'm going to cut that little part out. Let's do a circular pattern, because there's 6 of those guys. We want 6. We're cutting that out. I don't know why that did that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on that extrusion. Sorry, I'm going to double click on that sketch. I'm going to see, can I do a circular pattern here? Well, let me. Let's look. I want 6 of those. So that was weird, right? And that's okay. I don't know why it said 3. We want 6. Which is great. I'm going to double click on that extrusion just so I can edit it. So I'm doing all this to show you that it's okay to be frustrated and that you'll just have to edit it, which is great. Not a problem. Now the last part of this wheel is this circular part, the little part where everything goes on. And it gives you information about it right here. So we'll put a sketch on this. And I want to make sure I, do the right measurement, just like everything we do. And that says 0.7. I'm going to put a circle here. And you know how big that circle is going to be. And if you look here, that's pointing to 0.25. And let's extrude that. And you see how it doesn't like put everything in there? Because this other part of the circle wasn't selected as well. And that's 0.375. And we'll put another sketch on there. So that diameter is 0.125. That didn't dimension how I wanted it, so I just pressed escape. And this inside of it is 0.0625. Again, not what I wanted, so I hit escape. Probably just hit something, that's okay. 0.0625. And 0.125 is the distance. So we just made our wheel.